Ndereti ya uthamia wa andu kuma mutito-ini wa Mau ithiite na mbere kuhiuhituge bururi-ini guku ikioneka ko ya mwerekera ngurani muthenya thutha wa ungi. Muthi athuri a Ndundu ya ruriri rwa Ukabi matongoririe muingi wa kaunti ya Narok gutabania mururungano wa thayu. Othea magitetera county commissioner wa county yo George Natembeya thutha wake gukorwo kireirwo na njira nene makiria na gikundi kia atongoria amwe thirikari-ini.
Ningependa niambia county commissioner, you are a civil servant. Hauna makosa hata kidogo. Yule mtu ako na makosa ni Murkomen. Na tunasema Murkomen aende Marakwet. Aende afanye kazi zake huko.
Bwana Natembeya hata ikisemekana ichaguliwe Narok County kuwa gavana, tunaweza chagua. Tembea na sisi.
Bwana Natembeya, tunasema tuko pamoja na wewe. Serikali yetu tunakushukuru sana.
The operation ended on 13th with no single incident, yeah? And people left voluntarily because most of them reside there. They know that they are not supposed to be on that side of the forest, yeah? So all these hula baloo came up, you know, from 18th when we started seeing the politicians coming in now.
Mutongoria wa rege bugene ya Senate Kipchumba Murkomen na kiheri kia atongoria kuma Rift Valley makoretwo muharina wa mbere kumanereria uria mihango ya uthamia wa andu ikoretwo igitabanio makiugera tabanio na njira ya unyamundu uria macungiriirie kumemenereria na njira nene.
This is the third week that 4,000 school-going children have not been able to report to school because of the misadventure being led by the county commissioner of Narok County. It is absurd, it is sad, it cannot even be contemplated.
Ni ndereti ino ithiite na mbere kuiga hatika-ini urumwe wa kiama kia Jubilee thutha wa atongoria thirikari-ini kuoneka makiregana na mutaratara uyu na uria uratabanio ni thirikari nene, undu uria riu ucungiriirie mwandiki munene Raphael Tuju kuingirira na gutianiria mateta ma atongoria aya ta Mao kiumbe. Undu uyu na kuri uguo ndwamukiritwo wega ni Senator Aaron Cheruiyot wa Kericho, na uria ni umwe wa atongoria aria makoretwo makimenereria uthamia uyu wa andu kuma mutito wa Mau.
Tuju's lack of clarity on what our party's ethos are can be excused but not unchallenged. I urge him, therefore, to get off that air-conditioned office and visit Mau Narok so that he may acquaint himself and understand the issues that are at play.
Ruriri rwa Ukabi na kuri uguo mathiite na mbere gutugiria uthamia uyu makihita gutabania mirurungano ya thayu nginyagia andu aria othe maingirite mutito-ini wa Mau mahamurithio.
Hatutasitisha maandamano mpaka eviction hiyo imalizike.
How can somebody come to Narok County all the way from Elgeyo Marakwet County through 4 counties, landing in Narok through Uasin Gishu, Nandi, Kericho, Bomet to Narok? Has he finished all the problems facing the Marakwet and Kejos?
Girifotera Kameme TV, Itago Mwaura, Wagunyam.